Got some new wheels. These are work wheels. 18x9s plus 30 offset. Fresh unboxing. These are a work wheel. I made it in collaboration with JDM Concept. Only in Australia can you get these. JDM Concept will ship them overseas. If you want to get in contact with them, I'll leave a link in the description. They come with some decal stickers. I'll chuck these on. I'm going to put them onto here. The GTS logos. Also got the hub rings, which will go on the inside. Work RS nuts in blue. And then this special edition JDM Concept work center caps. And of course they come with fresh valve caps in black. So to install the fresh decal, line it up nice. Just putting on the hub ring, make sure it fits. Beautiful fitment. Alright, hub ring's in. We chuck the wheel on now. And we'll chuck on our wheel nuts. And then we just grab these work RS nuts. It's 4 normal wheel nuts. And then I've got 1 lock nut. So they come with a lock nut and a special key. Start putting them in. So over the next couple of days, we'll slap on some tyres. Gonna go 245 40 18s. Be Potenza RE003s. And then I'll adjust the coilovers just to make sure we have clearance between the tyre and guard. And then it should be done.